Tired of boring lampshades that cost a fortune? What if I told you that with just paper and a few simple tools, you can design stunning lampshades at home that look straight out of a designer store? Welcome back. Today, we're diving into an exciting DIY project that's affordable, creative, and guaranteed to brighten up your space. I'll guide you step by step on how to make stylish lampshades using paper, and by the end of this video, you'll have a custom piece that reflects your personality. A lampshade is simply a decorative cover that diffuses light from a bulb. Making one with paper means using everyday materials to create a shade that's both functional and artistic. Step-by-step practical guide. Step 1. Choose the right type of paper. Go for craft paper, parchment, or textured art paper for durability. Step 2. Measure your lamp frame or decide the size of your shade. Cut the paper accordingly. Step 3. Fold, roll, or lay the paper into your preferred design cylinder, cone, or pleated. Step 4. Secure the edges using glue, double-sided tape, or paper clips. Step 5. Attach your paper design to a lampshade frame or directly wrap around the bulb holder, making sure there's enough space for heat ventilation. Step 6. Switch on the light and enjoy your handmade creation. Tools explained. You'll need craft paper or parchment, scissors, glue or double-sided tape, a ruler for measurements, and a basic lamp base. Optional tools include a cutting mat for precision and clips to hold folds in place. Quick tips: always keep the paper at least 2 inches away from the bulb to avoid overheating. Experiment with colored or patterned papers for a unique effect. If you want stronger durability, laminate the paper before shaping it. Cost comparison: store-bought lampshades can range anywhere from $15 to $50. With this DIY method, you can create one for under $5, depending on the type of paper you choose. Workflow: choose paper, measure and cut, shape or fold, secure with glue, attach to frame, light it up. Professional notes: for best results, stick to LED bulbs as they emit less heat, making paper lampshades safer and longer lasting. Also, consider layering translucent papers to create a soft, glowing effect. We've covered everything from materials and safety tips to step-by-step instructions on making your very own paper lampshade. It's budget-friendly, creative, and transforms any room instantly. If this inspired you, try making your own lampshade today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more professional DIY guides that bring style and savings right into your home.